Hey guys, welcome to my home. What's up, together? Welcome back with another video. So today I'm moving into my new apartment, my first apartment out of college, and so I wanted to show you guys an empty apartment tour just to give you like a layout of how everything looks, as well as just give you an idea of how I'm going to like decorate it and like, you know, make it my own. So yeah, this is the front door as you walk in. Then there is like a coat closet right here. Good space for storage and things like that, which is nice. Then you go immediately into the kitchen where we have family waiting here. And so everyone here is helping me move. So this is the kitchen. I really like it. It's like so nice, and I love that I have this huge island. And yeah, this is just the way it's set up. What I'm thinking is I feel like I'm gonna put like some shelving right here. I'm thinking of putting shelving right here, and then just like trying to, you know, decorate the island and just space all over here. But yeah, that's like my main big decoration thing for this kitchen, like shelving. Going into the living room, this big space. This is the living room. Definitely going to be a couch right here. I actually kind of have this like idea of a wall, like wicker basket kind of wall art kind of thing. I'm gonna put up my couch here, and then on this side we have like a TV stand. I think I'm gonna do a huge mirror here. So that's like the idea for there. Some plants. Can you see the view, y'all? Just look at this view. Like, I cannot with the view. They're coming this way. This is the living space, so my bedroom, bathroom, all this in this area. So this is the bedroom. I'm going to have like my bed right here, most likely. And on this side, we have this weird wall situation here. So what I was thinking of doing is putting a desk right here, like a small desk. So I have my chair and be able to do some work here. So that's basically what I'm thinking about from there. And also I have this big beautiful windows here as well with my beautiful view. Very excited about it. And then I have a closet right here, nicely opens up. I'm actually kind of annoyed that it opens up this big, because that means I have to like push my bed more to that side because of the way it opens, but we'll figure that out. And so I have a simple closet right here. It's quite big, so I'll be able to store a bunch of stuff here. This is a living closet right here. Nice storage space. This hallway has a washer dryer. Nice. That's something I really wanted to have, a washer dryer in my apartment, because to be honest, I've had like the whole going to the laundromat thing. Not nice. Then this is the bathroom. I have a nice tub, sink, and all this stuff. So yeah, I was thinking of having like a bench here. I don't know. I also wanted to like decorate the bathroom as well. So we'll see. And I changed the counter. Let's see. Yeah, that's the apartment. I hope you guys liked it. I'm going to definitely be decorating, and I just can't wait to see how I make this my own. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'm going to be doing a lot of decor videos, so look out for that. And like this video again. Comment down below what you guys think about the place. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye. Peace and strength.